Kimberly, I know someone that looks like you.
Who?
Oh no, I mean Maria.
Ate
Forgot
mismo
her name.
Wait a minute.
Are you guys famous?
No,
I think you're TikTokers. Are you TikTokers?
no.
With that face? Oh, Daniela. Hello, Daniela. Oh, damn. Oh, hello, Zainab.
Hello.
Do you know Kastakli?
No.
Ito na scenario. Kunyari, you're a foreigner, Angelica. Tapos yung mga nag-release dito, di ba? Ganta.
What the fuck?
Hello, Angelica.
Okay, also
Yeah. Can you rate my face? Do you think I look good?
negative.
No. Oh, shit! I dropped something.
Treat me like what is, don't get me dirty.
How about now, Angelica?
Sira na yung scale eh.
Oh, damn!
Hi, Joshua! Naaalala mo na ba ako, Joshua? Joshua.
What in the hell? Record ko. Are you real? Hello? Natutuwa yung katabi ko. Natutuwa mo yung katabi ko. Let's type. Are you real?
Gusto din eh.
Titingnan natin reply.
Gusto din.
Yeah, dyan siya magaling. Peke yun, naka-record for sure. Ibibait mo pa ako? Sawa na ako sa ganyan. Hi guys, so this is our second time sa Azar. Huwag niyo akong husgan na nagpa-practice tayo ng English dito. So, enjoy niyo lang. Let's go.
Lavorare con questi qua, sai.
Hello.
Hello.
Is that a vape?
Eh?
The one you're...
Ah, yes. Yes.
Can you do a trick?
Cosa di?
Un trick.
A trick.
Un tiro.
Yeah.
Un trick!
Can you do O's? Oh. Circle.
Come si dice? Non sono capace.
Iba pala yung gawa ko.
I can do it.
Okay, sure. Can you show it to me?
What?
Can you show it to me?
Violet. She can speak English.
Oh, I see. What's your name?
My name is Maria.
Hello, Maria.
And your name?
Joshua.
Beautiful name.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh, thank you. Your name as well. It's good. Maria. Beautiful name.
Oh, thank you.
How old are you?
18.
Oh, you're 18. Oh, good. You're not a minor.
And you?
Can you guess my age?
Come si dice 19? Eh? 19.
Nah. Higher.
Nah,
Higher.
20. 22.
Nah.
3.
Nah.
25.
Finally. Nice one, Maria. Maria, can you show your full face? I can see you. Oh, you look good. Oh, you look good.
Thank you.
So, what are you doing here in Azar?
Attends, بدنين. No. Attends, بدنين.
Why are you laughing? Do I look bad?
I
Do
don't
look
no,
funny?
I don't speak English very good.
It's okay. I'm not good in English as well.
Listen, look and listen and learn.
No, you are very come si dice? No, bravo.
I look what? Come on, you can do it, Maria. Come on.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Do I look what?
You look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I look beautiful? You look so beautiful.
Sama ang mga mata natin, sa ibadi ko na maigaling. Ikaw na ata ang sagot sa panalangin ko.
Oh, by the way, you look tall. What's your height?
I don't know.
But you look tall.
Bro, I'm short.
What? Did you just call me bro?
Say word in word in Italian, giusto? Right. Yeah.
What? Slow down, Maria. Slow down. You can do it.
Ciao.
Huwag ka tumawa. Natatawa din ako. Sabi ni Maria, you look, Maria, sana magkita ulit tayo. Para may content. Ito talaga. O ba, mabenta sa, ano yan, di ba, chat? Mabenta sa inyo yung ganung mukha, di ba? Aminin. Di ba?
Yeah, boy.
Di ba, chat? Maganda naman siya, di ba, chat?
Magaganda niya.
Sila! Preference nila yun.
Okay.
Ano ka ba?
Maganda naman sa chat eh.
Hindi. Preference nila yun. Di ba?
Paliwanag.
Diba, guys? So, let's go find Maria. That pala nahingi natin yung IG para nabigay sa inyo na, guys. Yan na.
Kumari sa kanya.
Ano? Kay Maria yun! Ano ka ba? So, that's our goal next time. Hingin agad natin yung IG para busog na naman ang ating mga nanonood, di ba? Let's go. Wait nga, may babaguhin tayo sa setup. Napagkakamala na akong streamer, guys. Okay. Now we're cooking. Di ba? Game.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Lagi na makakailaw.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Maria! Why did you next me?
I miss you, baby! Cause come si dice?
I was panicking.
Oh, you're panicking. Nah, don't panic.
Yes!
Don't panic. I'm not good in English as well, so it's okay.
Hindi na lang nakita ang sarili nagsasabing sana sa'kin mo gusto na umagahin.
Why?
You like my friend?
Can you show her?
She is shy.
Why are you shy? What's her name?
What's her name?
Kimberly.
Say it to him. Her name is Kimberly.
Kimberly. Is it right?
Yes.
Right. So Maria and Kimberly, are you guys friends or cousins?
Yeah,
Nah, it's okay.
cousin. You are cousin.
Cousin, okay. So what are you doing here, guys? Just passing some time.
Not yes.
What? You're only saying yes. Do I look good?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you. If you can rate my face from 1 to 10, how do I look?
I think 9.
9. How about you, Maria?
25.
That one
No, not age. No, not age. Not age, Maria. This face.
10.
Then, oh,
Treat me like white teeth, don't get me dirty.
that's So for you, this face is good.
You like so much? No, giusto?
Cosa?
No. Wait a minute, please.
Okay.
Cosa vuoi dire?
Piaci tanto mia cugina. My cousin like you so much. Scusa, dillo tu. Piace, ho dato mica ti vedere. Ma mi fatti vedere. Dai.
Dai Maria.
What's that sound? What's that?
It's my cousin. Is crazy about you.
Oh, why? Kimberly?
Because you are so beautiful for her.
It's sad that Kimberly can show her face.
No, I can't.
Why?
I don't want to.
Just a glimpse, you know? I'm just curious.
Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Oh, hello, Kimberly. Oh, nice nails, huh?
Oh, thank you.
Kimberly, I know someone that looks like you.
Who?
Oh, no, I mean Maria. Forgot
Ate Miss
her name.
Wait a minute.
Are you guys famous?
No,
I think you're TikTokers. Are you TikTokers?
no.
With that face?
Pag nandyan ka sa yung tipo na di papagawalan. Gusto mo nandyan sa tandaan na ang puso ko'y dala-dala mo sa kahit saan.
Oh, we're both laughing now.
Ano sila kung kulin?
Are you with someone?
Yes.
Who?
Why?
No, because my friend was.
Per kami?
She was wondering about it.
Yeah, there's someone here.
Who is it?
Secret.
Oh.
Is there a girlfriend?
Wait.
Why are you curious about me?
You seem interesting.
Oh, thank you. How about you guys? Do you have boyfriend?
I don't.
Oh, how about Maria?
Me, no, I'm single.
Nice. So that's why you're here.
You are single?
What?
You are single?
No?
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
No? Oh?
I'm looking right at you.
Sorry?
Can you repeat it?
Nothing.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Sabi kasi, are you single? Sabi ko, babanat sana ako. Taka nang bobo mag-English. Dapat kasi sasabihin, di ba, pag sa Tagalog single ka ba? Oo, kausap ko yung, yan, nasa harap ko. Sabi ko, I'm looking right at, putang. Takina! Isa pa. I'm sorry, medyo nag-freeze tayo, but I'll do my best, okay? Pag nakikita ulit, let's try to raise her up. I'll be honest with you, I'm not good in English, diba? Sinabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Pero, let me do my best. Magpakita ulit, Maria. Okay guys, pag nagkita ulit kami ni Maria, ito na sasabihin ko. Oh, hello! Hello! Hindi. Ganito. Magpapanggap tayo ni next, tapos sasabihin ko, wait. Last time you said you asked if I have a girlfriend, right? Well, I'm looking right at her. What? Sayang, madis! And then, nagpanik ako eh. Napanik ako. Ang pangit ng delivery eh. Ang pangit ng setup. Back in my days, nung Tagalog pa, magandang natin, bitaw natin sa ganyan.
Ayoko na nga, bala ko dyan.
Oo. Huwag kang umalis. Magtatampo si Barney. Kilala mo si Barney? Hindi mo kilala si Barney? Yung kumanta ng I love you.
Ang lakas ng tama ko sa'yo, di na kailangan pa ng bomba, di na kailangan magpakasabot.
You love me? Hindi mo alam mga tanga.
Gusto kita gamit lahat ng waing alam.
Alam mo na.
At ang hiling ko lang magdama mo.
Kilala mo na si Barney ngayon.
But, it's English, so we have to level up. Hindi mo ubra yung din ginamit natin pantapan. Susubukan natin, guys. Wait. Bang! Natin, okay? Drama. Hello. Ganun pa rin? Hindi na to sa mukha ko, chat. Ay, hindi na to sa upuan. Sa mukha ko na to. Wala. Hirap talaga, pero okay lang. Para makagawa ng isang magandang obra maestra which is video. Patience. Patience. So, pagpapaliban ko muna ngayong araw and basta makikita nyo ako sunod na clip. Iba na yung damit ka. Okay.
The next day.
Zainab. Oh, hello Zainab.
Hello.
Do you know Skastakli?
No.
Do you know someone Daryl?
No.
Oh, I see. So you're a different person. I thought you're Zainab. Huh? I have a question.
Ask.
How do I look? Ina ni Nix. Pwede ka naman maging honest eh. Ha?
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Hello.
Hi.
How do you pronounce your name? How do you pronounce your name? Mutita? Puta, Nexia. Sayang, for the boys na sana yun, chat, to. Bale, hanap tayo ng iba pa, chat. I got you. Oh, Zainab. Hello. How do you pronounce your name? You can't hear me? Another Zainab, chat. Pag-usap lang ako sa chat. That's sad. Since siya si Zainab, magpapakilala ko bilang Daryl. What are you doing? By the way, my name's Daryl. So, dito na nakuha ang tambalan ni Skastakli at saka ni Zainab. Why? Ni Nix. Alam ko na napagkakamalan tayong streamer eh. So, bakit hindi na lang natin patayin tong ilaw ko, no? Chat. Ayan. Sige nga, tingnan natin kung ini-next pa ako, mga buwa ka ng... Joke lang. Hello, Ikram. Oh, to next ako? Hindi ako streamer! Hello, Nala. Hello.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you guys?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Oh, nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, that's nice.
I have a question
This.
on the three of you. Just answer honestly, okay?
Okay.
Be honest. How do I look?
You are so handsome.
Oh. Thank you. that flatters me.
I
Really?
like you so much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Daniela. Hello, Daniela. Oh, damn. Damn! What are you doing here? Tangina. Ayaw. Sayang, chat. Mapapakita ko sana sa inyo ang Barda Boys. Kaso, naging weirdo tayo eh. Pasensya. Sumubok ako ng deep voice. Deep voice! Hello, hello. Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Kung tunog po tayo na pumiyok pa. Hello?
Hola.
Hola, kumusta?
Hola.
Tangina na nawawala yung deep voice. Ay, nako. Hello, Jacob.
Yo.
Yo, bro. What up? Nakatagpo ako ng kapwa ko deep voice. Yes! I mean, kakapwa ako nagpapanggap na may deep voice. Narinig niyo yung hello niya. Hello. Yung tunog na bagong gising. Oh, shit, bro. Sarap po to. Joke lang. Sarap po to. Sana naman kasi. Guys, papatunayan natin na pasok ang mukha ng isang Pilipino sa iba't ibang dayuhan. Let's go.
May ba naman?
Angas ng DP mo.
Ha, yung sa webtoon.
Oo. Natutulog ka na? Matutulog ka na pala?
Hindi.
Ang ginagawa mo dito?
Tulong.
Bored ka, no?
Hindi ako naantok eh.
Ano pangalan mo? Na pwede tawag sa'yo na lang.
Ano na lang?
Hello, ano na lang? Ay, wala pa ba? Wala pa pala. Sorry. Ito na manik siya po. Baduy! Hola!
C'est pour toi, Yazazalo.
Hello, are you shit. Bakit? Yung mga for the boys ninenext ako. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko na-meet yung expectation. Oh, hello, Aline.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
How many piercings do you have?
Me?
Yeah.
I just had
Oh, 3. How about on your other ears?
just this,
Oh, 3 as well. I see.
but I want to do more.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing here?
Improving my English.
Same. I'm also improving my English here.
Oh, nice.
What's the language in Brazil?
Portuguese.
Portuguese. Can you teach me some Portuguese words or sentence?
What do you want?
Anything. Oh,
Okay,
by the way,
okay.
my name's Joshua.
Joshua.
Yep.
Cool name. Cool
Oh,
name.
thank you. Did I pronounce your name well? Right? Aline or Aline? Aline.
Aline.
Aline. But how old are you, by the way, Aline?
I'm 21.
Oh, 21. Nice.
So do you
Hmm?
want to learn
Yeah.
Portuguese?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
It's learning time.
let's start it with Oi, tudo bem?
Oi, tudo bem? Tama? Right?
Yeah. It's hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Oi, tudo bem?
Yeah.
Ooh, what else?
Tell me words that you want to learn. Tell me. Tell me.
You look good.
In Portuguese, you don't say you look good. We say you're pretty.
Okay.
It's você é bonita.
What? Again?
Você
Você
é bonita.
é bonita.
Isso. Cool.
Você é bonita, Aline.
Thank you.
Okay. What else?
Tell me what you want to learn.
How do you pronounce? How do you say? Do I look good? Nagtatanong lang kung do I look good eh. Angelica, ba't nawala ka?
Wala kanina naghang yung site.
So baka nagtataka kayo kung ba't nasabi ko yun. Nagkita na kasi kami few minutes ago ni Angelica pero na next yun lang.
Okay na. Ano na yun?
Sabi ko, may Discord kasi ako. Ngayon, papansin ko sa mga Discord, ang gusto nila, deep voice ng lalaki.
Okay, okay.
Papracticein ko sana yung deep voice ko. Okay lang ba?
Sige, sige.
Huwag mo akong tatawaan, pare.
Hindi ako tatawa pa.
Kunyari, ikaw yung call ko. Ano yung gusto mong marinig sa akin? Practice ako. Ba't ka natatawa, ha?
Wala.
Okay, game. Kunyari, call na. Hello?
Daddy, chill.
Ba't ka natatawa? Nagkikringe ka ba, ha? Loko ka? Hello? Kalma. Huwag ka natatawa. Hello?
Hi.
Oy, kamusta?
Ayos na pargaw ba?
Okay lang din. Kumain ka na ba?
Putsang ina-trip.
Sagutin mo yung tanong. Ano ka ba?
Sinong kakain ng madaling araw?
Game. Balik ka.
Okay.
Hello, Angelica.
Usok.
Kumain ka na ba?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. I see. Nagtatrabaho ka na ba?
Mukha ba?
Di naman kita nakikita eh. Paano? Laka ka ba, ha? Nawawala tuloy. Kailangan deep voice tayo eh, ha? Estudyante ka ba?
Yeah.
College?
Yeah.
I see. Anong course?
Customs.
Kunyari sa trabaho. Practice mo na rin to.
Okay.
Hello, Miss Angelica.
Yes.
Kasi we need someone na mag-i-import ng product namin. Baka meron ka dyan. Or baka... Tama ba? Ano bang iba pala yung hinihingi ko. Sorry. Good item yung hinihingi ko. Sorry. My bad.
Gago ka ba?
Sorry. Tawan-tawa naman to sa akin. Kalma mo lang. Okay. Sabay.
Sorry pa.
May tanong ako. May nakausap ka na ba na nagde-deep voice? Yung pilit na pilit?
Wala pa.
Ako na yun.
Wala
Okay. Game. Ito yung normal voice ko. Ngayon gagawin natin yung deep voice. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Angelica. Kamusta naman yung studies mo?
Nakaka-stress. Pero really ka ba gumawa ng thesis ko?
Gagawin ko ang lahat, pati ang thesis mo. Puta, pumiyok ba? Yawa na sis!
Daddy, chill.
Sorry. Bakit? Graduating ka na ba, Angelica? Oh, damn! Sorry, nawala ako sa karakter.
How about you?
I'm already done sa life. Tapos na ako sa buhay ko eh. Baka pwede naman sa'yo. Puta kaya. Woo! Woo! Shush!
Smooth pare, smooth.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ako pa. Anong chapter na kayo sa thesis, Angelica?
Willing ka ba i-revise yung 1 to 5?
I got you. Para sampang nandito ako. Introduction. Ano ba mga ng thesis na limutan ka na eh? I got you.
Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Ano ba kayo? Qualitative, quantity?
Hindi tayo pa.
Ano ba yan? Survey ba yan? Hindi naman.
Oo pare, nagsisurvey kami pa.
Ano ba ang survey na yan? Tungkol saan?
Wala ko ng kwenta.
Ay, di yun lang. Magbigay ka na lang context. Ay, nawawala ako sa karakter ko.
Nawawala na siya.
Magbigay ka ng context,
About lang
Angelica.
naman siya sa enrollment ng customs.
So anong gusto mo sa lalaki?
Ikaw.
Uy! Angelica, masyado ka mabilis ah. Ikaw talaga.
Wala pa kasi akong tulog pare.
Same. Ito na scenario. Kunyari, you're a foreigner, Angelica. Tapos yung mga nagre-release dito, di ba? Ganta.
What the fuck?
Hello, Angelica.
Okay, also?
Can you rate my face? Do you think I look good?
Negative.
No. Oh shit, I dropped something.
Treat me like what is, don't get me dirty.
Sheesh.
How about now, Angelica?
Nasira na yung scale eh.
Oh, damn! You're getting good ah. Siguro marami ka nang nauto dito.
May gagi, hindi.
Hindi ka nagkakamali. Tingin mo pogi ako. No judgment.
Oo naman.
Parang sira.
Nasira na nga yung scale eh.
Yan sinasabi ko sa'yo eh.
At di pagpapalit just like my favorite food. Bigla mong nababagong malungkot kong mood. Pag nandyan ka, pag nandyan ka.